Now we will start analyzing reports one by one, reports generated in a Google Analytics. First one is a real time. First one is a real time. If you click on that, you can see so many options are available within a real time. We'll discuss one by one. Select overview. Overview is nothing but the one particular data it will give, like it is what happening right now. Okay, here you can see right now how many of them using your site. This is the data, and within that, green color is for a mobile. 98% of them using mobile, and 2% of them using a desktop. And in the sense they have been logged in, they have been visited your website in a this particular devices. Then it comes to a page view. Page view is nothing but a last minute views. Okay, where it will be helpful, this page view per minute and per second basis. When you are running a campaign, this real time data will be helpful when you are running a campaign like last hour sale, or last day sale, or we are saying that last 50-minute sale, 30-minute sales. Okay, these announcements are coming like Flipkart or Amazon will be giving a offer, right? Before the 12 o'clock sale, like these offers will be given. No? At that particular time, we'll come to know that the how the trend is about for that particular offer is there, how many of them are visiting each minute, how many of them are visiting. For that, to get that detail, we'll be using these two. It is per minute wise, this per second wise. Then also this will be useful when you are running a campaign. For example, which are the products are trending, top 5 products which have been actively visited. Okay, that will be able to know by using this particular page. For example, here if you are changing, for someone came and if they are changing to a lifestyle bags, okay, that particular data it will be updated in a sense which particular uh, a particular page actively used by the many of them. Okay, and the referrals also, you will come to know that if any links has been selected by using a referrals, the data will be here. Okay, by using a referrals, if it is there, the data will be shown here. Okay, you can see here right now I have been went to the bags. Okay, that is nothing but we'll come to know that actively which page actively visited by the your active users. Okay, top pages we will be shown here. And next it comes to the location. Okay, in India, where which are the locations we have been driving a traffic, like Hyderabad, from the here Bangalore how many, okay, from Chennai how many, from Patna how many, like this we will come to know that from the each region wise. Okay, each region wise, okay, how many active users are there. Okay, in a overview, just to track the campaign, it will help to track the campaign. You will come to know that which part of the country are like your campaign, and which are the product they are purchasing, and how much of them are referred or social media, by using social media they have been entered to your website. And minute wise we'll come to know that what is the trend of the users. All these things you can able to check in a overview. Okay, then location wise, if you like to analyze, we have to select here location. Here it will give the in detail location wise. If you like to have any report, how you if you like to understand better, okay, you can select this video and you can learn from video also. Okay, these things we have been understood. These things we have been understood, like these things again I don't want to repeat. Okay, again here it will be like a which location it is. Okay, in India, in United States, which are the locations now, right now has been used. In a morning time it will be India will be highest. Yeah, in a night when for us it is night, then United States will be highest and India will be lowest, like that it will be. The location wise we can check. Okay, total 302 active users. Okay, 300 active users, 299 active users. Out of that, 96 of them are using in India. Like this we can able to check the. Okay, and if you click on that particular link, you will get to know about within a city wise we will be able to get. Okay, in city wise you will be able to get the here. You can close it down to go back to your metric wise. Okay, this is about this is about how the location wise analysis. Next it comes to the traffic source. Traffic source is nothing but is it from a like organic search, or is it referral, or is it direct, like this. Here everything is directly logged in. For that reason it is showing as a direct. If any social media through the social media, if someone logged in website, it will show here social media also. Okay, this is the way we can check that from where our traffic is right now. And next it comes to a content. Content is nothing but which particular web page is actively used now. Okay, which particular web page is actively used. Okay, actively users, you can see here this particular web page. Okay, and other content, in the sense other, many of them are in a home page. Many of them are in a home page. Content is nothing but that particular product page, or someone visited any of the like product page, or any other pages apart from the home page or contact pages. If they have been visited any of the pages, then it will be shown here as a active pages, which is the active page in your active users are using. And next it comes to the events. If you are running any type of the events, okay, e-commerce events is nothing but a last minute sale, last hour sale, this type of the events. If you are uh, running in a Google ads, okay, in a ad you have been created. Okay, you have been created an ad such a way that to run an event like a particular ad, one campaign you have been created where you would like to promote the hair oil. Okay, that particular event, if you like to track, you can track here what exactly happening at a particular event right now. And conversions, again it is also we can create in a goals. Okay, conversions are nothing but a, when you're creating a ad itself, conversion ads are, can be created. Okay, or we can create a goals here itself. Conversion is nothing but someone purchase the product, then we are calling it as a conversion. Okay, you have to create a goal. We'll show you that how to create a goal. Okay, once you have been created a goal, we'll come to know that how many of them are achieved that particular goal. That is nothing but a conversion. In the sense, if someone click on that particular page, we can say that okay, they have been purchased. Okay, once it has been purchased, we have been say that it is a completed. Here we can see how many of them registered, how many of them enter to check out. In the sense, they have been registered and they have been entered to check out. How many of them already completed a purchase. Okay, these goals we have to create. We have to create a goals. We'll learn that one also in a admin section. Okay, creating a goals. If you have created any goals, you can able to track those goals related data here. This is about a real time. Real time is nothing but right now what is happening. Okay, it is only for India. If you close it down, for the entire world. Okay, three registrations, one registration has been happened. Okay, like this we can able to understand the what happening at a particular point of time in your website. What are the activities are going on in your website by using a real time analysis, by using a real time report analysis. We learn about our audience in a next video.